Welcome back to Elanix. Today we have another exciting presentation for you. I'd like to present VANTYX. Now, VANTYX is an AI-powered lead intelligence engine that we've developed over here. This is all about business acquisition, capturing new clients for your business. I'm going to show you exactly how VANTYX can help you do that. So this is our brochure. You can have a look on it on the company LinkedIn as well as the website. Everything will be in the description. We have a table of contents as usual. I'll skip that, get straight into the intro. So VANTYX transforms real-time business search data into strategic lead intelligence, enabling organizations to identify high potential acquisition opportunities with precision. What we're saying over here is, if you look at our last video, SerpApi, which was a search engine optimization engine, which helped your business rank, it helped you research keywords right on the internet that are currently trending. In the same way, this is taking a keyword that you input, whether that's a business name, a business location, and we use Google Maps API to do an analysis of that, get the business from Google Maps, do an interpretation, and get your lead intelligence, which specifically is things like how you should approach them, an opportunity or a gap in their service, some sort of angle that you can kind of tailor your outreach to and get that sale and acquire that customer. So all in all, this system helps you get more customers by telling you how to do it, finding them for you, and identifying the opportunities and the gaps within that business. All right. So if you look a bit at the market today, AI-driven sales intelligence is rapidly becoming operational infrastructure. So these systems that we present to you here at Elanix and a few of the others you see on the internet right now are proposed as tools, or you might see them as some sort of tool that you can add on to what you're already doing. But the future is that these are going to become integral to business within the different departments. Right, 72% of organizations now use AI in at least one business function. McKinsey 2024. Companies using AI report significantly improved lead efficiency qualification, and that's simply because the AI can do a lot more, a lot quicker than a sales team in a certain function. Right, there's still place for a sales team. High-performing sales teams are increasingly relying on automation and predictive intelligence to improve conversion outcomes. So what we're telling you with this page is that artificial intelligence, specifically used in this particular way, right, using it to save time or save resources, is becoming integral to business, and you want to be in this a little earlier than later. All right, and that solves a problem, which is the lead data without intelligence, outreach without precision, growth without automation. So for the first one, business information exists but lacks strategic interpretation. Putting this into an example, when I show you some of the dashboards for VANTYX, you'll see I've used it for like a dental company or dental practice. So for a dental practice, they might know where to get their customers. Maybe they might know where to find them from the hospitals or whatever the case is, but they don't have the strategic interpretation. What do they need? What are the gaps in their services? And once again, VANTYX is going to do all of that for you. Outreach without precision as well. Teams contact prospects without validated opportunity signals. Another example, and this is what makes VANTYX extremely game-changing. Up until now, if you were doing graphic design for businesses, right, and you'd go onto Google Maps or you'd go on the internet and you'd find companies that need graphic design of some sort, what would end up happening is you'd contact a lot of people that already have a graphic designer or already have all of their graphics in place. What VANTYX does is it scans, analyzes those businesses, and finds the ones that most likely need that service to help you save all of that time and all of that wasted resource on prospects that don't need your service. Growth without automation. Again, organizations struggle to identify scalable acquisition opportunities efficiently. Once I show you the VANTYX dashboard, you'll see how easy it is to do this on such a huge basis, because scanning, validating each lead takes about 10 seconds. Okay. The VANTYX solution, instead of asking who should we target, or this is whether you are a product-based business, a service-based business, instead of asking that question, who is your customer base, VANTYX is going to tell you this is the highest value opportunities, and here's why. Break it down, how it works. Very similar to SerpApi in the skeleton, the skeletal framework. VANTYX operates through a streamlined intelligence loop. So you put your business search input in there, whether that's counting firms in Texas. We do a live Google Maps analysis, bring you all the accounting firms in Texas. Business signal extraction, we identify the ones that would probably need your service. AI interpretation, we then discuss how you're going to do it, what angle are you going to pitch, and then you end up with a strategic output. All right. Intelligence engine, this is an example output. Dental clinics in Austin, Texas. There we go. So first of all, VANTYX gives you a business weakness pattern. Several businesses in this area, Austin, Texas, lack modern conversational automation and proactive lead engagement strategies, something like a chatbot that we'd offer over here. So already, just with this small part of the output, VANTYX has helped you by identifying what most of these businesses are lacking. Top opportunities: clinics with strong review volume but limited automation infrastructure present high value outreach opportunities. Okay. So in our case, we would offer them some sort of review automation. Maybe all reviews get automatically posted onto the social media. All right. And then we have a recommended outreach angle: position AI-powered WhatsApp appointment automation to improve booking efficiency and customer communication. Once again, exactly what I'm talking about. And then we ended off with an opportunity score, which is also very important. So in about 10 to 20 seconds, VANTYX has shown you some of the weaknesses, some of the gaps, where your services fit in perfectly, top opportunities to serve these businesses, and then an outreach angle. All right, so it really explains itself. Going over some specific use cases. The first one will be a sales team seeking data-driven acquisition strategy. Right, you look at this page over here. You give this to a sales team, they know exactly what to do, whether it's a cold call or cold email. All right, it's going to help them. Agencies identifying automation opportunities, AI companies targeting operational inefficiencies, and then founders building scalable lead pipelines. Another amazing thing about a lot of the systems that we build, you can do this as a solo business owner. It makes it so much easier. Before, you'd probably need someone, to help you. This is a tool you can use if you are a solo entrepreneur. Strategic value. VANTYX delivers clarity. So we're transforming that raw business data, which is the idea you have, the business name and the area, or the business industry in the area. So transforms that into actionable lead intelligence, reduces the prospect research time from hours to seconds. That is amazing. And then precision, identifies high potential opportunities, execution alignment, and bridges the gap between business intelligence and outreach execution. Quite cool. Access and deployment, once again, as with the recording of this video, deployed as an internal system. You can reach out to us for some early access, so on and so forth, and that will be the last page on this website. Alright, so I hope you learned. I'm forgetting, my bad. This is the VANTYX dashboard. I've run it through a couple of businesses, as you can see. How it would work is you'd click add record, you'd create a new query, it would look blank like this, and then you click the run button. Within 10 seconds it should be complete. So over here, I searched coffee shops in Seattle. I found a couple of businesses over here with their names. Opportunity analysis, high density of independent coffee shops with strong local following. Potential for loyalty program integration. So instantly over there, I've saved so much time. I know that I can look at these businesses and have a look at their loyalty program. Maybe it's out of date or it's buggy, right? It can be improved. Outreach angle, highlight unique local blends and community events. All right, lead score 85. And once again, each system gets tailored toward the business that you are operating. Obviously, as Elanix AI, VANTYX already understands that. So all of our outputs are based on the context of being an AI consulting company, right? But very easy, intuitive to use. You have all of your outputs over here and different locations. So I also hope you see what I was referring to when I said as a solo business owner, this becomes your sales department or your business research or your business intelligence department, where you can research businesses around the world, get very valuable information on them within a matter of seconds. So that's it for the VANTYX system, the lead engine. You can contact us on the website. You can book a call with us completely free. I hope this was educating. I hope you learned something. And you have any questions, you put them in the comments. And remember, with Elanix AI, it's more than possible.
You let Ken Miles race Daytona. If he wins, he gets to drive tomorrow.